going to show you a stock, Zscaler. This is a cybersecurity stock. I will share you with my swing trade strategy and optional strategy. So let's show my Discord channel, the link of this channel below. And if you will see here, the Zscaler strategy I gave you, if you zoom it, you can see the date I gave you on October 7. When I made a strategy, I made an entry at the same time. So what I'm doing here, I am showing what I am doing with my portfolio, with my money. That's it. And so 291, 295. And then if you will see here, uh, Zscaler. So exactly those entries. And the breakout entry is 310 above 314. This is the breakout entry. Breakout entry means when the daily candle close above 314. So when I give this strategy to you, my Discord community and YouTube community, I made the entry at the same time. Zscaler call options here. I bought the January call for 2026 because this is I go every call I buy 6 months. Even I'm selling in a 3 month, but 3 month for my safety, for my risk management. So I'm paying more little bit on the, like if I will, I'm very much sure internally, not a advice, 3 months is enough for this stock to go up. But I'm buying a 6 month. Why? It's risk management. And I'm paying a little bit more. Like my risk, maybe 3 months strategy, maybe a $3,000 something. Now I'm paying like $4,400. I'm paying a little more. We'll see the strategy in a very quick. Let me show you that G-scale, how you take that option trading. Like see if we go November or we can go January, right? So this is only two difference, right? 99 days. January call approximately right now is a $2,800. I'll go all the time in the money, but you can also go out the money. That's totally understand if you have a 6 month. There's more factor, but I'm just on this particular case. I'm just going here. So or I can if I go November call, 21, 28. So there's not it's $800 difference, but it's more peace of mind. I go January call because I'm planning to sell in November or December. Here you go, Zscaler. So this is my right now my positions. You can see it in one day, maybe 2 days. This is 2 days profit, my dear brothers and sisters. In if you in my Discord channel, and in 2 days, if you follow the same or you learn together, so you know how where are you will be stand. Um, so far, because we are in a bull market, I did not see any stock. I made a YouTube video in the last 2 months. This is my channel. You can go because I search all my channels, see the videos. All the stocks work. It doesn't mean I'm very perfect. No, it's a bull market. You need to make just little precise entries and you will be in a profit. But don't play blindly. This is not a financial advice. So here you go, Zscaler. This is now my trend line. This is first I showed you the strategy on the basis of indicators. Now I'm showing you the strategy on the basis of trend line. That's my favorite. So if you will see here, when the price come on this line, I'll buy, sell here, buy, and now we are in a breakout. If we today close at 314, above 314, I'm buying tomorrow. But not today, not right now. 312. It has to close above 314. This I'm teaching you today. What is a breakout means? So breakout means end close above 314. So this is a strategy all together. And please like or subscribe the channel if you like it, if it's helpful. We all good here. Thank you very much for watching. This is your show, Trade with Harp from San Francisco. No BS, no guessing, no FOMO, only and only chart analysis, and show you a little more detail. If you in my swing trade strategy, go to swing trade alert and you can find. So this is we found from the bot. If you know AI bot, this is stuff will come from there. So my backend team, you can study, pause the video, and see the score. You can see the bullish conviction high and level score, also the current price, SMA, and analysis summary. RSI 64.2 show bearish pressure. MACD shows shortening bullish divergence above signal lines. Price above all moving averages with bullish alignment. So RSI bearish territory, MACD strong bullish, all MA bullish aligned, and stock overbought. So breakout, certain time breakout go up and then it come back to retest. It maybe go to 314, 320 and then come back to 310 to get this cool down. This is another opportunity to buy. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you.